If you put no hate on a hateful video, what's the point? You're just contradicting yourself. Plus, it's really annoying because they think saying no hate will make the viewers ignore what their previous words were. It's like saying, no offense, but you're really ugly. You've just insulted me, so it was not necessary and completely optional to say no offense. Really, to me, I interpret it as you're being ruder with those two words because it's kind of mocking. If you're going to hate, don't say that. There's no reason to.